You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Hafa, this is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority updating you on Typhoon Mawar recovery efforts for Tuesday, June 13th. I am happy to announce to you today that as of 2 p.m., GWA is lifting its Precautionary Boil Water Notice completely for our southern water system, which includes all areas served by the Ugam Surface Water Treatment Plant from Ipan to Umatic. For our northern and central water systems, GWA is adjusting its Precautionary Boil Water Notice, which will now be applicable only to the village of Mangilao and isolated areas in Barragata, Ordat Chalampago, Dedido, and Jigo. A complete listing of villages and the applicable status of the Precautionary Boil Water Notice, as well as information on the areas in which the notice remains in effect, can be found on our website at www.guamwaterworks.org/Mawar updates. The lifting of the Precautionary Boil Water Notice in the identified villages is based on the return to stable water service with adequate pressure, chlorine residual levels in the water, and over 8 rounds of sampling and analysis, which indicate the water in our distribution system is clear of any contaminants. The basis for keeping the Precautionary Boil Water Notice in effect for certain areas is that water service within those areas is still intermittent or not sufficiently pressurized, even if data from sampling and laboratory testing indicate the water is free of contaminants. Similarly, the water supplied in GWA's potable water tankers and flex tanks are from GWA facilities where adequate pressure, chlorine residuals, and testing confirm the water is safe to consume and for all other uses. However, we remind the public to ensure that all implements and containers used to draw, transport, and store water from our tankers and flex tanks are clean and safe as well. If you have doubts about that, we urge you to follow the measures outlined in the Precautionary Boil Water Notice on our website. GWA continues to make gains in restoring reservoir levels and bringing more customers back to normal service. We are also working hard to bring more wells online and to find and repair damaged service laterals and customer connections, which may have been damaged in the typhoon and are contributing to pocket outages within our service area. We ask for the public's continued cooperation with our Water Conservation Advisory, and thank you for your patience throughout this recovery period. Thank you, and Sizulas Masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.